Microsoft Certified Azure Architect Design, AZ 304. This Microsoft Azure Architect Design certification training establishes you as an expert Azure architect and helps you ace the AZ 304 exam, earlier AZ 301 exam. You will learn how to determine workload requirements, design for identity and security, architect data platform, create continuity, migration, and API integration. Topics. Lesson 1, Course Introduction. Lesson 2, Design Monitoring. Lesson 3, Design Identity and Security. Lesson 4, Design Data Storage. Lesson 5, Design Business Continuity. Lesson 6, Design Infrastructure. For more information, visit our website www.intelligencegateway.com.